Think your garden has to sit empty all winter? It doesn't. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how cover crops can improve your soil and how to start planning a productive winter garden. Many gardeners finish harvesting in late summer or fall and leave the soil exposed for months. That may seem harmless, but bare soil loses nutrients, dries out faster, compacts during winter rains, and gives weeds a head start before spring. Healthy soil should stay covered whenever possible. Cover crops are plants grown primarily to improve the soil instead of producing food. Several beginner-friendly choices include each has different strengths. Legumes like clover and peas help add nitrogen to the soil. Grasses like rye produce lots of organic matter while helping prevent erosion. After removing old vegetable plants, loosen the top 1 to 2 inches of soil. Scatter the seed evenly. Cover it lightly with soil about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, depending on the variety. Water thoroughly until the seeds germinate. Most cover crops establish best when planted 4 to 8 weeks before your first hard frost. Always check the planting recommendations for your local climate. Not every garden has to shut down for winter. Many cool-season vegetables continue growing in mild climates. Good choices include these. Even if freezing weather arrives, simple row covers or cold frames can extend the growing season. Planning now saves time later. Divide your garden into areas. One section can grow vegetables, while another rebuilds the soil with cover crops. That rotation improves long-term soil health. One common mistake is planting cover crops too late. Cold weather slows germination, giving plants little time to establish. Another mistake is allowing cover crops to produce mature seeds. Cut them down before they flower heavily if you don't want volunteers growing next season. Finally, don't assume every cover crop fits every garden. Choose varieties that match your climate and your goals. Healthy gardens don't stop working after harvest. Cover crops protect the soil, improve fertility, reduce weeds, and prepare your beds for a stronger spring. At the same time, a simple winter garden can continue producing fresh vegetables long after summer ends. Small improvements this season can make a noticeable difference next year. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to Fred's Sustainable Gardening for practical, no-frills gardening tips that help you grow healthier plants while working with nature, not against it. There's another video on your screen that was picked just for you, so be sure to check it out next. Question for the comments. Have you ever planted a cover crop before, or is this the year you're planning to give it a try?